Hey folks, it's Mark Kelly again with Inbound Revenue, www.inboundrevenue.com. I wanted to walk you through a few things on this particular roofing campaign about how we do things and how things work now in Google Ads, Google Ads as we're rolling into 2023, how some things have changed. Now we've built this campaign out in single keyword ad groups. You can see some of the ad groups that we've targeted, some of the keywords that we've targeted. And there's other campaigns that we have that we could conceivably roll out into this account. We have straight up residential roofing, straight up commercial roofing, straight up roof repair. I'm going to teach you a few things that are really important to know in this campaign. So first of all, when it comes to keywords in 2022 and 2023, you'll see that we've got exact match keywords. I'm going to just show you the enabled keywords. So we've got exact match keywords enabled here. Now I want you to take a look at this search term. So recommended roofers near me is the search term. In the good old days, or in the old days of Google Ads, you would not have triggered an ad if it didn't match this keyword. Now look at the search terms that are triggering. Roofing company near me, roof contractors, roof company near me, roof repair near me. These are all coming off an exact match keyword, recommended roofers near me, because now the focus is on keyword intent with Google. See, it's a close variant. Now, is that really a close variant? Is roofer really a close variant of recommended roofers near me? That's up to them to decide, I suppose. But you can see that that is how exact match works now. And one of the reasons that we have, unless you're in a super low volume niche or there's some other variables going on, we typically launch with exact match because you're going to get so many variants on the exact match keyword that you're using. So in this particular campaign, we've got quite a few ad groups in here, and we're getting leads across quite a few different, getting conversions across quite a few different single keyword ad groups in the campaign. We can also talk about some of the campaigns that we can drop into your roofing Google Ads account or into your client's roofing Google Ads account. So we have broken these down into residential roofing, commercial roofing, roof replacement, and other terms. That's sort of a broad one, and roof repair. We typically like to run a combination of these depending on your budget. Ignore this budget that you see right here. That's just these are just house accounts that we have stored up for future use based on things that have worked well in the past for us. So I'm going to touch on two things here. I said I was going to be educational today, and I'm going to be. First one was the exact match. Don't confuse it with the exact match of several years ago. It's not the same thing anymore. The other thing is when people come to us looking for commercial roofing or commercial clients, keep in mind that the search volume, generally speaking, for the search keywords that have commercial in them, like commercial landscaping, commercial roofing, that sort of things, is usually fairly low. So if you're only looking for commercial jobs, it's much harder to find those because people don't always search that way. I'll give you a great example here. I know for a fact that under recommended roofers near me, there's no search terms that are shared with us that contain anything related to commercial. And yet I also know for a fact that there's a $100,000 commercial lead generated by this campaign. So if you're just looking for commercial leads for your company, you're probably restricting it too much, and you're probably not going to get a lot of traffic and probably not going to get a lot of leads because, frankly, people don't typically search that way. So there's two things that we covered here today outside of the fact that we have some other campaigns that we could drop in there. But we learned that exact match keywords aren't exact match, and that commercial is not a term that you should necessarily be focused in on, because you're going to lose out on leads in that way. I've got more information for you in the next video. Look forward to talking to you guys again. Remember, Mark Kelly. You can check us out at inboundrevenue.com. Talk to you soon.